The GT2100 series 8-inch size turning center. It is the product of Doosan's advanced design technology to become the standard in the global market. The GT2100 series, from 2 axes to 3 axes, re-engineered with the latest technology, provides user satisfaction with excellent performance and high reliability. The bed, configured in a 30-degree angle, is a box guideway type. The guide width is increased by 16% and the total height is lowered by 12%, resulting in 3 times the guideway rigidity than the conventional design. In addition, the entire guideway is enclosed in a cover to protect it from hot chips and cutting fluid. The spindle overhang is shorter than the conventional design by 26%. And the spindle inter-axis distance is shorter by 24% to reduce vibration, improve surface roughness, and extend tool life. In addition, alpha and beta spindle motors are selectively adopted to meet the diverse requirements of customers. The newly designed tool drive is comprised of 53% fewer parts than previous models, which greatly reduces heat generation by the combined cooling of air and lubricant, thus improving operational reliability. The rigidity of the body, which is the backbone of the tool post, is increased by up to 140% to further extend tool life. Furthermore, the compact design allows its volume to be reduced by 13% for efficiency and maximizing space. The screw conveyor, which was first implemented in Doosan turning center, is shorter than those of the competitors by up to 18%, further maximizing space. The screw conveyor compresses chips and reduces the volume of discharged chips by more than 75%. Since cutting fluid is not discharged, chip handling is made much easier. The standard LED work light gives a lower heat generation rate and provides about 10 times longer life than halogen lamps. The hydraulic unit and transformer further improve the level of economic efficiency by saving about 23% more energy compared with previous models. The GT2100 series is designed to maximize the convenience of the user and provides excellent accessibility for maintenance by employing newly designed covers that can be easily assembled and disassembled. Accessibility to the oil tank and hydraulic units are also improved to improve serviceability. The coolant tank can be drawn out without removing the chip pan and the conveyor. The tank can be easily cleaned. This feature contributes to the enhancement of workability and productivity. The Puma GT2100 series, redesigned with advanced technologies, guarantees high reliability and productivity with top-level quality.